Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Before I start with my video, I just wanted to say, if anyone's wondering what happened to my eye, I'm okay. I ran into a wall like a week ago. It's healing, it's okay, I'm okay. So yeah, there's to clear that up for you. Okay, let's get on with the video. These are all the ingredients we will be needing to make a simple banana bread recipe. So, let's get to it. We're gonna move this to the side and get the big bowl. So we're gonna need 3 bananas. We're gonna peel them. Because once your bananas go bad, like the outer shell, I don't think anyone wants to eat them, you know? So you can make
You can use them for banana bread, yeah.
Yes, you can. And it makes very yummy banana bread.
Since we have a lot of bananas, because
My dad brought them from work. He brought a lot.
he brought a whole box, yeah.
So that's why we made one short video, 15-second video of me showing my banana bread. And then today I'm gonna make the recipe of how I made it.
Okay, 3 bananas.
Okay, now you just need to mash them up.
Oh, remember that one.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, so I got the mixer pounder, I don't know. And this helps a lot because you could just mash them up easier. Okay, so now we're putting 3/4 of a cup of sugar. When you're putting it in, to help like see how much you're putting in to even it out, you just bang it a little bit.
Shaken.
Yeah. Shake it, bang it.
This is good because one side bigger, one side.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now let's add it in. Then, recipe calls for 1 large egg. Then we'll mix. Uh-oh.
Oops.
Oopsie.
You got it out, didn't you?
There's one little shell in there. Got it. Okay. Now we can mix it with this. Like I'm making tea.
Mm-hmm. Then you can add what? Milk?
Milk, yes. I believe. Okay, that looks about good. Okay, so right here we have 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and we're gonna add it in. Once you have it all in, just give it a little stir. Slowly, because butter like dries out fast, I think. At this point it's like getting thicker. Okay, now we're putting in the milk. How much milk, you ask? We need
1/3.
1/3, yeah. Okay, let's put in 1/3 of a cup of milk. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect.
Give it a little mix.
Yes.
Little, not so big.
Mixy. Yum. Okay, let's see what recipe calls for next. Okay, so now we're going to add vanilla extract. And we are putting in 1/4 teaspoon. Don't get in there. That's it? Okay.
Try that one.
I'm going to put in this one.
A little bit of that one. Don't even use the spoon, just drop a couple drops.
Yeah, that'll be okay.
This supposedly, oops, just that's it, like that.
Yeah.
A good vanilla from Mexico.
Yep.
And
This one.
Just add some walnuts.
Yes. All of it?
Yeah. and baking powder.
Oh.
And then all you need is all-purpose flour.
All right. 1 teaspoon of baking powder so that it rises in the oven. Scoop it up. Go like that. Boop. Okay. Now close it up, and that was 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda. Those are 2 completely different things. Make sure you don't get them mixed up. Well, baking soda works too if you're using a different recipe. So now, recipe calls for 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Smooth it over. There you go. All right, so you have to sift the flour. So I'm just gonna put the whole thing, I guess. And you just mix it kind of like that. And look, it's falling like snow.
But then you have to slowly mix it too.
Yeah.
You're not mixing.
While I'm doing it?
Yeah. Like that. Yeah,
So
see?
shape.
Okay, then do some more of that.
Okay, a little bit more. And then
Shake it out. Like that. Up. No, not like that. Up and down. Not so much.
I'm trying. Okay. There, I'm gonna mix it up. Then I'm going to add more. Okay.
Just go like that.
Yeah, that's better. And you kind of want to have a smaller one than the bowl because then it
Gets all over, huh?
yeah.
A little bit.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna set this over here. And I'm going to mix it, stir it.
Grab it from the
Slowly.
sides too.
Yeah, because it loves to stick to the sides.
You can taste it. See how it tastes.
Okay, here, let me stir.
Go like this. You know what?
Pretty good. Okay,
Enough sugar?
yeah. Now what?
Now we're gonna put it in the baking pan.
Yay! Alright guys, on to the last part, which is putting the banana bread mix into the pan. So,
Are you trying to speak British?
no.
I just heard you trying to speak British. Last part.
Okay, so we put this Pam cooking spray in our pan. And,
Pan.
and we're gonna put parchment paper. Just
The other way.
this way?
Yeah. Exactly. See?
Oh.
Oh yeah. Fits right in, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now we can pour it in. Pour that mix in. Yeah. Woo. Okay. Uh-oh. Gotta get this out. And then I gotta use my spatula. Is it okay if there's not a little bit parchment paper on the sides?
Just put it in. You already put it the way you put it. There's nothing you can fix it. I mean, you can probably move it a little. Pick it up from that side.
Ooh.
Get everything out. And still, you still have some.
Oh yeah. It's fun cooking.
Well, I'm glad you're cooking. By 15, maybe you'll know how to cook.
I already know how to cook.
Like what?
I know how to cook grechka, buckwheat, eggs,
Eggs in a basket.
yes, sunny side up.
Put the, try to pick that side up. Yeah, that one, a little bit. Pick it up. No, on one side, corner.
This?
Yeah. Yeah. Move it. Don't touch that side.
Oh, pick it up.
Pick it up like that. See, that's fine.
Okay. There we go. That
Yeah, a lot better.
it looks.
You put it.
Tilt it.
Yeah, tilt it. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 400 degrees for 1 hour. We're putting it in our oven for 400 degrees because usually people have different ovens. You could usually put it 380, 350. Our oven is different, so we put it for 400 degrees. It's going to go in the oven for 1 hour. See you then.
Or 45 minutes, and we'll check first. We'll check at 45 minutes, and then at 1 hour.
Yeah. So right now I'm going to be checking if it's ready or not. So let's get it out of the oven. All right. It looks very delicious.
It's been 45 minutes.
Yes. Let's check if it's ready. Oh, it smells so good. Still not ready. There's still a little bit of banana bread on the stick, so that means we're gonna put it in for another like 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's been about 50 minutes, so 40 minutes plus 10 more. So 50 minutes in all of baking this banana bread. And let's see, is it ready? At 400 degrees. Yes, it is. So we can take it out of the it's attached to the side a little bit. Let me just, there we go. Should slide out. Alright. Oh.
Little piece came up.
Yeah. Alright, this is our banana bread. Looks good, but the test is, does it taste good?
Looks fluffy.
Yep, it looks fluffy. Oh, it's so hot.
So hot.
Might want to give it a chance.
Just grab a little piece. Yeah. Really.
Yummy. Smells so good, like delicious banana bread. Banana bread. So, that was a simple, easy recipe of how to make banana bread.
Just have to let it dry a little so it won't be so
Cool.
hot or cool.
Amazing.
Tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you so much. Bye!